In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Confluence and Jira in a Jira ticket. This process is incredibly useful for teams that want to streamline their project management and documentation workflow, making information more accessible and connected. Let's dive right into it. First, begin by navigating to the Jira issue you wish to link to a Confluence page. This is the starting point, as you'll be building the bridge between Jira's task management and Confluence's documentation capabilities. If you haven't logged into your Jira account yet, make sure you do so to find the specific issue you're interested in. Once you're viewing your selected Jira issue, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find the option to add. This is typically located under the issue's name. Clicking on add opens up a series of actions that you might take with this issue, but what we're interested in here is creating a connection to Confluence. Now, after you click add, a menu will unfold. From this menu, choose new Confluence page. Selecting this option will initiate the process of creating a brand new page in Confluence that's directly linked to your current Jira issue. This step is pivotal as it sets the foundation for all subsequent documentation work related to the current issue. Next, it's time to give your new Confluence page a title and description. Think carefully about this, because a clear descriptive title and summary will help other team members understand the purpose of the page and its relation to the Jira issue. Be as specific as possible. Consider including relevant keywords that relate to the content of the issue or any special instructions that need to be highlighted. Once you've settled on an appropriate title and description, you need to click on the Publish button. This action will officially create the page in Confluence, cementing the link between your Jira issue and the newly minted page. It's always a good idea to double check the title and description one last time for any errors or missing information before finalizing the publish. And there you have it. You've successfully linked a Confluence page with your Jira issue. This integration enhances team collaboration by ensuring that all related documentation is just a click away, improving transparency and keeping everyone on the same page, literally. Remember, this process can be repeated for as many Jira issues as necessary, enabling a structured and well-documented approach to project management. By linking Confluence and Jira in this manner, you empower your team to work more efficiently and effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy linking.